I will click on the app. Sometimes to download, but I've made it available for you guys. Give a kudo to those that created this particular application. Welcome to ADB App Control Setup Wizard. I will click next, and I create shortcut on desktop. Then I click on install. So it has done installing. I'm going to launch the app now. And this is the app. So it's warning you to make sure that you downloaded this from their trusted sites. I say okay. So sometimes if you are using a lower version, this app, try to update first. I will click on OK. Click OK. Then I got it. Good, please allow access. This is my phone, and that's the phone I'm going to use and test this app. Make sure you activate your USB debugging. There's developer option on your phone. If you don't know how to do that, check the link for the video that explains that on the description. Please allow access. This is my phone, and that's the phone I'm going to use and test this app. Make sure you activate your USB debugging. There's developer option on your phone. I'm activating my developer option, the USB debugging on my phone. The app is a great app to control your device screen. Increase the volume. Whatever you do here will happen to your phone. Press the power. Then this will open the camera of your phone. It's a very nice and great app. You can even reboot your phone using this app. So apart from editing the application on your phone, you can even use it and do other things to your phone. We can even use a command prompt to control your phone. So most of the features here is only available if you are on a pro plan. So this is about the app. So we have other things, open program folder, check for updates, get help, support the project. That is nice, because you need to support the project. So you can use this and control the internal application of your system, and I want to disable, uninstall, or even to save it. Remember, it's only internal application of your system, not the one you installed. It is called the system application or built-in apps. I'm searching for my live football app, so I can't see it. So it's only system app that I use. So this is the screenshot that the app took from my phone. So that is a wonderful thing the app can do. Please donate to those that created the app, because the app is wonderful. The app is not mine. The only thing I'm doing is to explain the functions and also